Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm David Moreno and you're watching 70 Dragons Help. Today we are diving into the fascinating realm of 3D printing and its transformational impact on the healthcare sector. So hop on. So what is 3D printing? Remember the replicator from Star Trek that worked with matter conversion? In simpler terms, 3D printers are the replicators of the healthcare sector. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, creates three-dimensional objects layer by layer, following a digital blueprint or a CAD file. Now, you might be wondering how this will change the healthcare industry. Well, for starters, it's all about customization. By enabling and manufacturing tailored, patient-specific solutions of a high degree of complexity, 3D printing is transforming the healthcare sector. According to the American Hospital Association, it crafts patient-specific prosthetics, stents, dental, and orthopedic implants mandated by the individual's needs. Furthermore, 3D printers can create highly precise anatomical models for preoperative planning, allowing surgeons to visualize and practice complicated surgeries. This can decrease surgical complications, surgery time, and cost while ensuring surgical accuracy. Moreover, studies also state that 3D printers are used to create efficient and safe drug delivery systems that can release drugs at specific times and locations in the body, while the direct ink writing technique creates anatomical models, tissue-engineered structures, and biological implants. Selective laser sintering, ability to manufacture durable and high-strength structures, contributes to the making of medical implants. Another popular choice, 3D bioprinter, has made a paradigm shift in regenerative medicine with its ability to create functional organs and tissues through the layer-by-layer deposition of living tissues and biomaterials. Now let us understand how this whole process works. It starts with a digital design or digital blueprint file created by CAD software or a 3D scanner. Whether it's a prosthetic limb, a custom dental crown, or an integrated organ model for surgery practice, is all about the design or data. These designs are sliced into thousands of layers using specialized software. The 3D printer then reads these sliced designs and meticulously deposits materials ranging from thermoplastics, metals, hydrogels, and biocompatible polymers, layer upon layer, to build a final product. To conclude, 3D printing is a game changer for healthcare. Customization, patient-specific solutions, increased precision care, reduced costs, and improved training. It's changing the face of healthcare as we know it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you later with another interesting health topic. Till then, stay tuned.